Hi, I'm Joe Barton from RAMP, the Dentist Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I'm going to talk about over-the-top advertising, also known as OTT. A large percentage of the U.S. population cut the cord. They don't have any cable and they don't have any satellite TV. They get all their TV entertainment through streaming services such as Hulu, Disney+, Apple TV. The only way to reach those consumers is via OTT. To learn more about RAMP, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.